To demonstrate 3D volume rendering, or VR, in Osirix, select the patient kidney volume from the database window. Single left-click on the first thumbnail series, and single left-click on the 2D 3D viewer icon to load the series into the display window. Single left-click on the down arrow to the lower right of the 2D 3D icon. Select 3D VR volume rendering. Note that the rotate icon is active. Rotate the volume into a coronal orientation by holding down the left mouse button and dragging the mouse cursor over the volume. Single left-click the window level icon. Verify that the beginning window width and level is set to the default level in the Window and Lookup Table tool. Other options are available based on user preference. Window level by depressing the left mouse button and moving the mouse cursor over the volume. Note the kidney in the lower abdomen area. The orientation guide in the upper right corner of the image display is toggled off and on by single left-clicking the orientation icon. Single left-click on the crop icon to activate the cropping cube. Grab the green points of the cube around the image with the left mouse button to size the cube around the kidney and pelvic area. The cube can be rotated by using the orientation guide in the upper right corner of the display screen. Single left-click on the crop icon to deactivate the cube. Enlarge the image using the mouse scroll wheel. Single left-click on the move icon and hold the left mouse button while the cursor is over the volume to move it to the center of the display window. Single left-click on the bone removal icon that looks like a coronal skull to enable us to remove the pelvic bone. Single left-click on the patient's right pelvic area. A rotating beach ball appears to indicate that the removal is in process. The tool recognizes specific densities that are associated with bone. Single left-click on the patient's left pelvic area and wait while this bony area is removed. Activate the Rotate tool and hold the left mouse button to rotate the image into an axial orientation. To remove the spine area, single left-click the scissors icon. Use multiple single left mouse clicks to deposit points around the spine, creating a user-defined closed polygon. Depress the Delete key to remove or cut the area inside the polygon. A rendering message will briefly appear during the process. As a note, depressing the Enter or Return key allows the area inside the polygon to remain and cuts the structures outside the polygon. Another way to remember the function of the keys in relation to the area inside the closed polygon is Delete equals exclude the area and Return equals include the area. Single left-click the Rotate icon and rotate the volume. Use the Zoom or Magnify tool to magnify the image and the Pan or Move tool to place it in the center of the screen.